Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, today's video is perfect for you. We're tackling how to transfer Shiba Inu from Arculus wallet to Coinbase in 2025. Shiba Inu, or SHIB, is a popular meme coin, and moving it between wallets is a common task. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to do it safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an Arculus wallet set up with your SHIB tokens. Remember, Arculus is a secure hardware wallet and a verified Coinbase account. Double-check that your accounts are linked to the correct networks, like Ethereum for SHIB, as blockchain compatibility is key in 2025. Step 1. Open the Arculus wallet app on your smartphone or computer. If you're using the hardware device, connect it securely. Navigate to your asset dashboard and select your SHIB holdings. Step 2. Choose the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. Be precise, crypto transactions don't have undo buttons. Then, go to the Send or Transfer option within the app. Step 3. Head over to your Coinbase account on a separate tab or device. Log in, go to your wallet section, and select SHIB. Copy the deposit address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. In 2025, Coinbase might have enhanced security features, so look for any QR codes or multi-factor authentication prompts. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount of SHIB, and don't forget to review the network fees. These can vary, so aim for a time when fees are low to save on costs. Step 5. Review all details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and any transaction memos. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. The process might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 6. After sending, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure it's processing. Once complete, log back into Coinbase and check your SHIB balance to confirm the deposit. A quick word of caution. Always prioritize security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, Coinbase and Arculus have support resources. There you have it. That's how to transfer SHIB from Arculus to Coinbase. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.